Welcome back traders. In this video presentation we are going to see how our Tycoon GAN levels performed in Nifty for the 4th week of February 2021. This is the chart for the day 22nd Feb 2021 Monday. You see the first 5 minutes candle close price is 14,962 and in the second candle itself we got our buy entry got triggered and it went up to 15,010. Our first target is 15,016 is our first target. Our first target just missed by 6 points, but anyway, if you see the market went it gave us nearly 60 points profit in over here, and it returned back and hit our stop loss. Whenever we see the market goes near to our target and returns back, it is advisable to update our stop loss to cost, because in this type of market scenarios it will safeguard our capital. So I consider in the upcoming trading session, whenever we see the market price goes near to our target and return back, means I suggest everyone to update their stop loss to the entry point. But in this trade, I'm not going to consider this as we saved our stop loss. I consider this as SL8, and if you see the stop loss level is 14,860 is our stop loss. Nearly here we lost around 90 points stop loss. Our stop loss is 90 points and I consider this as stop loss hit. On Feb 22nd, the first entry buy is target missed and hit our stop loss, and the second entry is breakout entry. This is the breakout level. You see the breakout level is 14,740 is our breakout level, and the target for the breakout is 14,616 is our breakout target. As we expected, the market breaks out and triggered our sell entry over here. The sell zone is 14,740 is our sell zone, and market closed over at 14,640, around 40 plus 80. Around here we got 90 points profit. So if you see, in the first trade we lost 90 points, and in the second trade we earned 90 points. So this day we considered as no loss and no profit. This is the trading performance for 23rd Feb 2021. You see the first 5 minutes candle closes around 14,715. The next candle opens around over there and it triggered our sell entry and give us target up to 14,651. But our target is 14,642 is our target. It is matter of 9 points our target missed over here, but it gave us around 60 plus point, around 65 and 60 plus point profit we reached here. You see, whenever we see this type of market, we need to update our stop loss to cost. In the upcoming trading weeks, I am advising everyone to update their stop loss to cost. So it will safeguard our capital from this type of unnecessary market movements. We will be safe while trading in this type of market scenarios. So I consider this day as stop loss hit, but in the upcoming trading weeks, I won't consider this as the stop loss hit, and I consider this as a neutral market. Over around 14,715 to 14,000, around 85 points stop loss hits on this day. We'll see you in the next trading performance day. You see, this is the trading performance for 24th Feb 2021. You see, we all know on 24th Feb the NSE market freezes totally. We are in sell position, but after that we don't know what happened in the market. But market totally freeze and closed. So I don't consider this as a trading day, and we consider this as trading holiday. And we move on to the next performance day on February 25th. See, February 25th, market opens above the level 2 zone. In this type of scenarios, we need to trade only breakouts, or we need to trade only the market comes to the level 1 buy zone. But both not happened on that day. The market moved in the sideways and closed over here. So on this day, the 25th February 2021, we didn't trade anything, and this day also we consider as no loss and no profit. This is the day 26th Feb 2021. You see, as per our method, the first 5 minutes candle close price is below our breakout trade. See, our breakout trade level is 14,854 is our breakout level, and you see the first target is 14,730 and the second target is 14,611 and the third target is 14,486. Almost all the three targets have been done on this day. Nearly it gave us 14,850 to around 400 plus points on this day. It gave us an awesome profit. This is how our Tycoon GAN levels has performing day by week by week. We are seeing how it is performing. In the next week, you see, guys, this is the fourth week performance of February. All the 4 weeks we have made awesome profit. This is how our Tycoon GAN levels is performing. We are seeing in live. Day by day it is giving awesome profits. I hope this video will help someone to earn in the market. We'll see you in the next video. Until that, bye. Have a great day.